Leo was a young boy with a big imagination. He lived in a quiet neighborhood with his parents. Every morning, he walked the same path to school with his mother. They always passed the post office, the grocery store, and the big clock in the center of town. One morning, Leo woke up early on Monday morning. His mother was sick in bed, so Leo prepared his own breakfast. He put a piece of bread and an apple in his bag. He felt like a grown-up. He walked to school carefully and arrived just before the bell rang. Leo's day at school was very busy. In the morning, he had a math lesson. He practiced addition and subtraction. He was happy because he got all the answers right. After math, it was time for English class. The teacher told a story about a brave lion, and the students drew pictures of the jungle. At lunchtime, Leo sat with his friends, Sam and Sarah. They traded snacks and talked about their favorite cartoons. In the afternoon, the class went outside for physical education. They played football in the large field. Leo ran a lot and scored a goal. By the end of the day, Leo was very tired and a little bit sleepy. When school finished at 3 p.m., Leo walked out of the gates. Usually his mother met him there, but today he was alone. He started walking toward his house. However, his mind was busy thinking about the football game. He was not looking at the street signs. He reached a large intersection with 4 different roads. He thought he remembered the way, so he turned right. He walked past a tall library and a pharmacy. After 20 minutes, the houses looked different. There were no gardens, and the streets were very narrow. Leo realized he was in a part of the city he did not know. He was lost. The sun began to go down, and the sky turned a dark purple. Leo felt a cold wind. He walked faster, but he only found a large train station. There were hundreds of people walking quickly, but nobody looked at him. Leo felt very lonely. He sat on a wooden bench and tried not to cry. He opened his school bag to find his jacket. Inside the bag, he saw his English notebook. On the back of the notebook, there was a small map. His teacher helped him draw it last week for a geography project. The map showed the school, the park, and Leo's street. Leo looked at the map carefully. He saw that the library was near the park, and the park was near his house. He stood up and walked back to the tall library. From there, he found the park where he played football during the weekends. He followed the familiar path past the bakery and the grocery store. Finally, he saw the bright red door of his house. His mother was waiting at the window. She looked worried, but when she saw Leo, she smiled. Leo went inside and told her about his long day. He was tired, but he was proud because he used his school lessons to find his way home.